Welcome guys to a brand new review. Today we're going to be unboxing a new sneaker which I'm actually very excited about. It was my very first W that I received, that I was blessed with by Nike sneakers. So I'm super excited about that, my first W. Yes, I know. Anyway, let's just unbox them and here we go. So cool. Got an invoice here and that's a returns label. I'm not too sure, I'll have to look at that later. Ew, oh my god, this box is actually terrible. Look at that. It just flopped straight out. A beautiful orange that I'm hit with. Let's get into it. So, does this come all the way off? Or maybe not, no. Same as the Yeezy box, so yes, we've got the paper. Let's get to the shoe, what the hell's going on? There we go. Yes, indeed.
M's in the bank, like yes, indeed.
I'm gonna set that down for a second and that, so I can just show you. Wow, these look even crazy. Easier in person. But yes sir, that is the Sacai and Nike collaboration on the LD Waffle, and yes, I got the pine green colorway. Retail at 140 Great British pounds and 160 American dollars. It's released on the Nike sneakers app, as well as obviously I'm sure Sacai's website, and a few other places. I'm not going to list them. You already missed it, son. You missed it. You did not get unless you did, which then you know where you got them from. This was part of the 3 shoes that dropped. It was the pine green colorway, there was a black and white colorway, and there was also a white and gray colorway. Getting straight into the materials of this shoe, obviously we've got that leather suede at the front, by the toe box, and it goes straight into this mesh material, which is, I mean, it's very thin, so whatever socks you're wearing with this, they're definitely going to show through the shoe, and that carries through all around the side of the shoe. Obviously you have these double Nike swooshes on either side. You've got the double lacing, so it's basically just 2 pairs of laces that they've put through the hole, so it's not anything special. It's just, I mean, if anything, it's just going to make it harder to tie, but that's the whole concept, is that it's 2 shoes. And then you've got 2 tongues, so the double tongue is right there, and one of them says Nike Sportswear and has an orange swoosh, and the other one has got Nike with the Nike swoosh and then the Sacai logo. So I'm a fan of this idea of having two different shoes overlaying like this. I think it's pretty cool. I haven't seen anything like it, but yeah, I don't know how practical it's going to be. Another thing I've noticed is you've got 2 of those little square bits right on the top. Now, I can imagine that'd be great for kicking someone, so if you want to just, you know, right in the shin, you get a secondary pair of laces, and yeah, I think it's just 1 pair. So obviously you can like mix and match these, which I think actually would be nicer, because at the moment you've got a complete white and you've also got a like creamy off-white. But yeah, overall, what do I think about these shoes? I think they're pretty like unpractical, and I personally, I mean, they just don't really do it for me, even though I really like the shoe as an idea. And I'm glad that it exists, so something like this exists, because it's just, again, pushing the boundaries of what like people can design with shoes. So I like that, but personally, would I wear this? Probably not. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. It's been fun, man. It's been a good time.